next loader is subroutine linkage. Next loader is subroutine linkage. Generally, the role of loader, which we have time to time explained. Source program, translator, object program, loader, and it loader plays the object program into memory. Object program ready for execution. Right? Then we have seen these things also. The functions of loader, the main four activity that loader performs: allocation, linking, reallocation, and loading, that we have seen. The space for program is allocated in the main memory, that is allocation, linking, resolve symbolic reference between object DEX, which combines two or more separate object programs and supplies the necessary information. It resolves the symbolic reference between object DEX. Then relocation, adjust all address dependent locations such as address constants to correspond to the allocated space. Relocation is the function of the loader which is used to adjust the address of all dependent locations such as address constants, and loading, bring the object program into memory for execution. These things we have seen. Now see the different types of loader, and in which we are going. Now we are seeing subroutine linkage. Compile and go, general loader scheme, absolute loader scheme, then subroutine linkage, then relocating loaders, that is BES, ES loader, and direct linking loaders. These are the different types of loaders schemes. We have seen some, and now we are seeing someone different from the previous one, that is subroutine linkage. Here, what is subroutine linkage? In a program, it is needed to perform a subtask many times on different data values. Such subtask is called subroutines. Then, have you understand the meaning of this line? In a program, it is needed to perform subtask many times. We have to perform a particular operation many times in a particular program for different values of data. Such a small program or subtask is called as subroutine. Let's see the one example. Let us program A wishes to transfer subprogram B. Then using this instruction, which instruction we are using? BAL, branch and linking, BL 14, B. Control can be transferred to B. Let us program A wishes to transfer subprogram B. Then using this instruction, control can be transferred to B. But assembler does not know the value of this reference symbol and declaring the error. As assembler don't know, though we are using this instruction, but assembler don't know about the value, so that's why it creates the error, and that error is get solved with the help of this subroutine linkage. Here you can see BAL 14, B instruction is used to control the transfer. Here BAL stands for branch and link. The value of next instruction in program A is stored in register 14. What is that? The value of next instruction program